It's not 5 o'clock, it's not a Saturday, but this sailor is at the Drunken Sailor Cocktail Bar, and today we are having a very tasty cocktail. Spring fresh flavors, that's what it's all about. Pretty cocktails, tasty, easy to make, just a few simple ingredients to it, and that's what we specialize here. What I'm gonna ask you to do is hit a like, leave us a comment, tell us what you think about this cocktail, because today we're making a cocktail called Sweet Seduction. Let's get pouring. This is the shaker glass that we're gonna build our cocktail in. It's a really simple cocktail to go with. We've got 3 different kinds of juices in there. We've got some syrup and a little bit of raspberry vodka. We're gonna begin our build with some lime juice. We're gonna put in 1/2 ounce. We have this freshly squeezed because fresh is the best. Next ingredient going in, we're gonna follow that up with some pineapple juice. We're gonna put 1 ounce of pineapple juice in there. That's gonna give it nice and sweet, delicious flavor to it. Following up, we've got some cranberry juice. Now I'm using diet cranberry in here. You can use diet cranberry, you can use regular cranberry, or if you wanna get really crazy and wild with the flavors, go for some cran raspberry. But this is what we've had, so we're gonna put 1/2 ounce in there. Next ingredient going in there, simple syrup, equal parts in sugar water, and we're gonna use 1/2 ounce. Four ingredients in so far, 3 juices, syrup. Well, this is a cocktail and not a mocktail, so let's put in here some raspberry vodka. We're using Smirnoffs, and that we're gonna use 1 ounce. Oops. Be careful not to spill your raspberry vodka. It's very delicious. That's everything that we've got in there that we need to have in there, except the ice to chill it down. Let's drop a couple ice cubes in there. Put the top on it and let's give this a shake. Let's make it cold, about a 10 to 15 second shake. We're gonna mix it, we're gonna aerate it, we're gonna make it delicious. I think we're about there. All right, now we need our glass. So we've got our glass, let's put some ice in there. And now we're gonna pour. Got a nice pink color to it. It looks pretty nice now, but I'm gonna take one more step and we're gonna put a little bit of garnish on there. And I've got 3 delicious fresh raspberries. We've rolled them in some of that white sanding sugar. Drop that on there. Cheers, everyone. Let's give it a taste. It is so good. So this looks like to be a great cocktail for either sitting around sipping on a nice hot day. If you've got a baby shower or a brunch or something like that, this is not a bad one at all to serve. Enjoy, folks. Cheers.